Hey everybody, how's it going? You're watching Exact Science. My name is Zach and I love science, especially chemistry. On this series of videos, we will be doing a whole bunch of science experiments, chemistry experiments, from the Mel Science chemistry kits. And yeah, Mel Science is a monthly subscription to, if you subscribe to Mel Science, you will get one set of chemistry experiments every month, or one chemistry kit every month with 2 or 3 different experiments inside of it, depending on what it is. And yeah, there's a whole bunch of them. There's I think kind of a low chance that you'll get the exact same ones as me, but I don't know. Maybe I'll get all of them. I don't know. But yeah. Anyway, I've had mine for 1 or 2 years. You'll get it for 1 or 2 years. And yeah. And then it includes a starter kit, which is, I'll show you that later. It includes a starter kit, and inside the starter kit is a book containing some information in it, a tray to do your experiments on, two pairs of safety glasses for safety reasons. You need safety. Here. This is what they look like on me. Nice stuff. Yeah. And these don't like going in. I'll just put them in a minute. It also includes a conical flask and a funnel. The funnel goes in like this. I don't know why it fell out of my hand. It includes a whole bunch of tiny plastic cups, a glass beaker, a plastic beaker, a burner or a cooktop to do your experiment, a cooktop to not do your experiments on, a cooktop to, well, do some of your experiments on, and I'll explain how you work that once we actually do a video that includes that. This goes on top of it. This goes on top of the cooktop. I've already used it, as you can see. Burn marks on it. I think those are burn marks. And this goes under the cooktop to not burn your table or tray or anything like that. A phone or tablet holder, or even an iPad or something. Well, you can make it wide for a tablet or an iPad. You can make it small. I like that sound. You can make it small, like this, for a phone. And I love the sound. I love that sound. And there are 3 plugs for the conical flask, however you say it. And they stop things from overflowing. They stop it from they let steam come out for the ones with holes in them. One of them has 2 holes in them. One of them only has 1. And one of them has none. And it can like steam to come out. It can stop it from overflowing, overboiling, or whatever. And like plastic tubes can go into it. And there's one more thing. I originally thought this thing was a magnet, but you can take the magnet off, and it's it's not a magnet clipper, it's actually a magnifying glass. And yeah. Alright, and now, let me just try to put these away. Go away. Go away. I don't want you right now. Good enough. And, yeah. That's inside of the starter kit. That is the first thing you get, along with your first experiment. And this is your own VR headset. And it's cardboard, but it's still really good. You can still use it for tons of things. And yeah. And yeah, Mel Science has an app you can use that lets you see carbon, or see atoms and molecules up close in VR. And right here I have 20 different experiments. There are 20 of these. These are all of them. And yeah, I'm gonna show you my favorite ones, which are this. I'm only gonna show you some of my favorite ones, but my favorites are Chemistry of Winter, Alchemy, Corrosion, Diffusion, Tin, A Study in Ultraviolet, Elements, which I'm going to show you. Chemistry of Winter I won't show you. Chemistry and Electricity I'll show you. Zinc Carbon Battery I'll show you. And Chemistry of Monsters I'll show you. And Chemistry of Materials I like. And Thermal Effects I like. Now let me just put these back. And then Chemistry of Monsters, that's the top of it, and it has Sugar Snake and Foam Eruption. It's the top of Zinc Carbon Battery, that's the Zinc Carbon Battery. It has Liquid Wires and Zinc Carbon Battery in it. It has Chemistry and Electricity, it has Lemon Battery and Daniel Gavalik Cell. That's a lemon battery. And Elements, I want to show you what's inside of it, but that's the top of Elements, and it has iodine and sulfur melt. And that's iodine, grow crystals out of thin air, and sulfur melt, which is watch the transformation of the yellowest chemical element. And yeah, inside of it, there's something cool. It's a little tin of carbon things. There is graphite, which is made out of the same kind of atoms as diamonds. Graphite, which is pencils, what pencils are used for. There is charcoal, which again is made out of the exact same atoms as diamonds. And there are canary diamonds, which are the hardest material in the world, but yet is made out of the exact same atoms as pencil lead or pencil graphite or something, and charcoal, burnt wood. The most breakable material I know, a pencil, is made out of the same atoms as the hardest material I know, diamonds. And yeah. And I hope you liked this video. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, because why not? And if you have any questions or comments, I'd be glad to answer them. And I hope you have a good day. And don't forget to check Mel Science out, and maybe subscribe to it if you like science. And if you like these videos and you want to watch me actually do elements or chemistry and electricity, or make a zinc carbon battery, or any of these 20 ones, then just click the links in the description for the rest of the videos, or for the other videos, or just check out my channel homepage or whatever. And bye.